Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I'm Arpita Sharma, your educator, and I've already made an announcement on the Telegram channel that we'll be taking this mock test at 10 p.m. tonight. So according to the promise that I've made, we're going to conduct this mock test 10 p.m. tonight. That is just right now. Let's start. There will be 10 questions. Each question will be of 2 marks. So that makes it a 20 marker test. And there will be a negative marking as well. 0.67 marks की negative marking होगी. ठीक है? So accordingly, without any cheating, you can just give yourself the negative marking if you have marked the answer wrongly. If you have not marked the answer incorrectly, then for the correct answer, you will be awarded with 2 marks each question. Okay? पर क्वेश्चन 2 नंबर का होगा हर क्वेश्चन, और अगर नेगेटिव आप मार्क कर रहे हो, गलत आंसर आता है आपका किसी क्वेश्चन में, तो उस केस में नेगेटिव मार्किंग 0.67 मार्क्स की आप डिडक्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, टोटल अपनी रैंकिंग से जितने क्वेश्चन आपने गलत किया इनटू 0.67 आप डिडक्ट कर लेना. दैट्स हाउ यू रीच आउट टू योर स्कोर इन प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द टेस्ट, एंड आल्सो क्लास पीडीएफ विल बी अपलोडेड टुमारो, बिकॉज आज आप टेस्ट दे दोगे तो इसलिए क्लास पीडीएफ हम कल अपलोड कर देंगे. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द टेस्ट देन. ऑल द बेस्ट. Question number 1. Patharughat uprising during the British rule was a tribal revolt, peasant uprising, working class movement, or a caste movement. Which option is correct? You have 10 seconds time to mark your answer. We're talking about the Patharughat uprising. So this is a question which can be easily solved if you have studied the newspaper, because it was in news. Okay, ये question easily solve हो सकता है. हर question spectrum से नहीं लिया जाता. All right, so the correct answer to this question is it is B. Correct answer है इस question का B. ठीक है, so it is peasant uprising. तो ये जो आपका question है ना, current affairs से लिया गया है, and it was in news in the month of Jan 30, 2021 में the Hindu newspaper and the Indian Express newspaper both had this particular current affair, right? So you have to be thorough with the current affairs. Don't forget to prepare the current affairs. So over here, Patharughat uprising took place on Jan 28, 1894. ये कब हुआ था? Jan 28, 1894 को हुआ था, and it took place in Assam. Okay. Now the unarmed peasants, they were protesting against the increase in land revenue. There was an increase in land revenue which was levied by colonial administration. So the unarmed peasants, that means the peasants were not armed. They did not carry any weapon. And the military, colonial military, the British military started firing on them. That is why this uprising took place. Okay. Question number 2. Inclusive Wealth Report IWR, sometimes seen in news, is released by, again a current affair based question. ये direct question लिया गया है आपका current affair से. जल्दी से mark करें. All right. Again, this was in news in 2020. Correct answer to this question is it is C. UN Environment. Inclusive Wealth Report एक biennial report है, साल में 2 बार आती है. ठीक है, इसको प्लीज लिख लीजिए. It is a biennial report, and this effort was led by the UN Environment to evaluate capacities and performance of the nations. Right now, in which area? The area of well-being of their people and the sustainability of economy. Coming on to the next question, which of the following countries are bordering the Caspian Sea? Georgia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran. तो कौन सी countries इसमें से Caspian Sea को border कर रही है? Make sure you have a world map with you stuck around in your room. आपके room में एक world map होना चाहिए ताकि आप चलते फिरते जब revision करो तो उस map से नेशंस, कंट्रीज, सीज, ओशंस का रिवीजन कर सको. ठीक है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन. All right, so the correct answer to this question is, so correct answer will be C. We have Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan and Iran. Over here you can see this is the Caspian Sea. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कौन कौन सी कंट्री आ जाती है. यहाँ पर काजाकिस्तान आ जाता है, शेयरिंग बॉर्डर्स. Turkmenistan we have over here, we have Iran over here. Georgia नहीं है because Azerbaijan is sharing border, not Georgia. Georgia is sharing border with Azerbaijan, so it will be eliminated. Okay. Coming on to the 4th question. So the Sunda Strait connects Indian Ocean and Java Sea, Java Sea and South China Sea, Java Sea and Celebes Sea, Tasman Sea and Java Sea. Again, the Sunda Strait, if you have studied about it in your current affairs or in the geography portion, then you can answer this question with ease. Correct answer to this question will be, it is A, Indian Ocean and Java Sea. देखो ये रहा आपका सुंदा स्ट्रेट, जावा और सुमात्रा के बीच में है ना ये. So Sunda Strait, it is connecting the Indian Ocean over here with the Java Sea over here. All right. Coming on to the fifth question, Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam recently seen in news is under construction. Which river? Again, this has been taken from Jan 2021's current affairs newspapers, right? Congo River, Zambezi River, Niger River or none of the above? करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी, इस क्वेश्चन का आपका करेक्ट आंसर कौन सा होगा जल्दी बताओ. ग्रैंड इथियोपियन रेनेसांस डैम. करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी, इट इज डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. Ethiopia, Sudan, Egypt, they have agreed. देखो ESE that, or you can say E square S. Ethiopia, Egypt and Sudan agreed to resume the negotiations, to continue the negotiations to solve their decade-long complex dispute over the Grand Renaissance Dam hydropower project, which is in the Horn of Africa, and it is led by Ethiopia. ओके, सो इट विल बी कंप्लीटेड, और जब ये कंप्लीट होगा तो फाइनली ये अफ्रीका का लार्जेस्ट हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट बनेगा. ये पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है. और ये किस रिवर पर है ये आपको पॉइंट याद रखना है. इट इज ऑन दी नाइल रिवर. ऑलराइट. So before we move forward, here's a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy has launched UPSC CSE Maha subscription offer. Now what is this Maha subscription offer? I'll explain it to you. See, if you take subscription today, that is on 22nd of June 2021 on Unacademy Plus 1 year, या आप उससे ज्यादा का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो प्लस पर, तो if 1 year subscription you are taking for 2022 attempt, then it will be valid till, normally it will be valid till 22nd June 2022, right? But under this Maha subscription offer, your subscription will be valid till your mains attempt. जब तक आप मेंस नहीं दे देते ना 2022 का, तब तक ये सब्सक्रिप्शन वैलिड रहेगा. सिमिलरली इफ यू टेक अ 2 year सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान बिकॉज यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर 2023 अटेम्प्ट, इन दैट केस your subscription, if you are taking it today 2 years, that means normally it should be valid till 22nd June 2022, but it will be valid till mains 2023. okay, पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया. तो ये है आपका महा सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफर. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट 10% डिस्काउंट इफ यू यूज कोड अर्पिता10. अगर आप कोड यूज करते हो ना अर्पिता10, तो आपको इजीली 10% का डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन पर. So do not forget to take your subscription today because new batches are starting from tomorrow. कल से नए batches start हो रहे हैं, तो फटाफट से अपनी सब्सक्रिप्शन आज ले लीजिए. The links are given below in the description box. Question number 6. Nile River, the longest river in Africa, drains into Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Lake Victoria. Nile River, जो longest river अफ्रीका की, वो कहाँ ड्रेन होती है आकर? रेड सी में, मेडिटेरेनियन सी में या लेक विक्टोरिया में? जल्दी से बताओ. अगर आपने मैप अच्छे से पढ़ा है तो आप आंसर कर सकते हो. यू कैन एलिमिनेट एन आंसर, एलिमिनेट करके आंसर कर सकते हो. करेक्ट आंसर विल बी, इट विल बी 2 and 3, मेडिटेरेनियन एंड लेक विक्टोरिया. देखो ये रही आपकी नाइल रिवर, तो ये ऊपर मेडिटेरेनियन सी में, और नीचे देखो इधर देखो लेक विक्टोरिया दिख रहा है आपको, ठीक है, ओवर हियर, एंड दिस इज मेडिटेरेनियन सी. इट इज ड्रेनिंग इनटू मेडिटेरेनियन सी एंड लेक विक्टोरिया, नॉट इन रेड सी. रेड सी में थोड़ी ड्रेन कर रही है. सो 2 and 3 आर करेक्ट. ओके. Question number 7. Lampedusa Island, sometimes seen in news, is located in Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea, Black Sea or Caspian Sea? जल्दी से बताओ फटाफट से. Again, this was in the month of Jan 2021 in news. ये न्यूज में था Jan 2021 के मंथ में. Lampedusa Island is located in, yes, it is located in the Mediterranean Sea. It is the largest island of Italian Peleg Islands in the Mediterranean Sea. Coming on to question number 8. Consider the following statements regarding Barak River. Barak River flows through the states of Manipur, Mizoram and Assam. Barak River drains into Bay of Bengal after flowing through Bangladesh. Tipaimuk Dam is a proposed embankment dam on the Barak River. Which statement is correct? अब ये तो अपनी कंट्री से रिलेटेड ही हो गया, जल्दी से बताओ. Which statement is correct? You have 5 seconds time to answer the question. Correct answer is it is D. Statement 1, 2 and 3 are absolutely correct. बराक रिवर जो है एक 900 किलोमीटर लंबी रिवर है जो मणिपुर, नागालैंड, मिजोरम और आसाम से होते हुए गुजरती है और बांग्लादेश से होते हुए बे ऑफ बंगाल में ड्रेन करती है. ठीक है. Question number 9. Countries bordering Syria are Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Jordan, Lebanon, Turkey. You have to remember the countries and the bordering countries as well, the neighboring countries as well. Yet their location is very important when it comes to prelims. Answer this question. You have 10 seconds time to answer the question. Correct answer to this question is it is C. Iraq, Jordan, Lebanon and Turkey. Over here you can see Syria. ये रहा आपका यहाँ पर. ठीक है. This is Syria. Bordering countries कौन कौन सी है? यहाँ पर आप देखोगे सऊदी अरेबिया तो नहीं है. सऊदी अरेबिया इज नॉट द बॉर्डरिंग कंट्री ऑफ सीरिया. ओके. वी हैव ओवर हियर इराक. यहाँ पर इराक आ गया. देन वी हैव जॉर्डन ओवर हियर. वी हैव लेबनन ओवर हियर एंड वी हैव टर्की ओवर हियर. ओके. Last question for today. Vanguard Bank and Scarborough Shoal, sometimes seen in news, is located in Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea, South China Sea or Baltic Sea. Again a very easy question if you are thorough with the current affairs and the geographical locations. Correct answer to this question is, इस question का correct answer होगा, very easy question. Yes, it was in news also. It has been in news since 2016. South China Sea. South China Sea में ही दो आपके areas पाए जाते हैं. It is located in South China Sea. So this was your test for today. Do let me know your marks in the comment section. अपने marks जरूर बताइएगा comment section में. ठीक है. On this note, we are wrapping up the class. Thank you everyone for participating.